morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Violet from NEWINDU International Ltd. Today, I'm going to show you a ZOOMLIOM skid steer loader. I'm in the warehouse where it is. Let's follow the length. This is the protagonist today, ZO85V. Compared to wheel loader, it is more maneuverable. It is 3,364 millimeters long and is 1,724 millimeters wide and 1,998 millimeters tall. What's more, it can be equipped with various attachments, such as buckets, diggers, snowblowers, to perform a wide range of tasks. This is the cabin where the workers operate the machine, and these are the two joysticks to control the direction, and there is the air conditioner which makes the operating environment more comfortable. This is the Xinchai engine, and its rated power is 36.7 kW, and it meets EU Stage 2 emission standard. All in all, skid steer loader play a vital role in constructions and various other industries due to its flexibility, versatility, and ease of operation, making it highly valued by users. If you have any question or any requirements, welcome to contact me. Thanks for watching.